A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun. This one is the one that made my eyes burn so bad. I need to make labels with ceramics because this you can barely see anything. So this plant right here just took over. This whole thing took over. Shouldn't be that bushy. So I'm gonna have to totally kill half of it. Athonia. It should be a hanging plant, and it is hanging, but it's hanging from the ground, and it's very radically growing. That's awesome. And it's probably hanging on from 2 or 3 branches. There. So proud of that. So proud of it. This right here, this area right here, is gonna be the beasts, okay? And that over there. And you guys are coming at me for taking one branch. Look at it now. That's how prolific it is. That's how invasive it is. Doesn't have to do with like picking one branch off the side of the road in Monterey. Look how much it's given out. Looks really good now. That's all trimmed up. I can see my bunny again. The geckos are happy. They can now go in and out of their jungle and find other bugs, not ants. Cleaned up all of these echeverias. Cleaned up all of the. There's still, you can still see some, but it's pretty much taken down. And this one is. It's gonna have to be what it's gonna have to be. It's actually not too bad. It's kind of the same size as that one. But here I took out all the branches that are just falling down, that's trying to propagate as well. And this Athonia, this is where I'm really impressed. It, for some reason, likes to drape and attach to the rocks, so we'll just let her be. But I will do some trimming and propagating from that and see. Hello, sir. And see if I can multiply. Being very nosy right there, very nosy. Go away, alligator. Go away, mini alligator. Don't be cocking your head listening to me. Section right here is done. So I'm doing quadrants. The next quadrant is over there, and then they're over there, and then over there at the end. It's coming along. Now I just got to clean some of these that are in the pots, because there's a lot of dead leaves. We don't want dead leaves. All in all, it's not too bad. It's a little bit overgrown, but at least there's something there now. It was blank when we moved back in here. It was like Zero, nothing. It was just dirt. But now the succulents really filled it up. Very beautiful. The bees love it. The birds love it. And I love it. The pool is so much more to be desired. It's getting there though. My husband's really working on this pool. And this one section is done. Fertilized, watered a little bit. Yep, pretty happy.